you hear that noise?
No. What was it?
I think it sounds like the mail train.
Let's see if that's what it is. Why, yes, it was the mail train. You were exactly right. Did you get anything?
I think so.
You think so? We got quite a few stuff in. So, we do got a channel shout out because we did get a package in from another channel. I have no clue what it is.
Me neither.
I got a couple of eBay purchases. Yeah. And I got some stuff from Midwest Model Rail. So, how you want to do this? You want to go big to small, small to big?
I think big is better. And I
big is better?
I like saving the best for last.
Saving the best for last. Okay. We'll go big first.
I'm saying big is the best.
This is the biggest.
Oh, gosh!
This is from Midwest Model Rail. This is something that I ordered. Now, just to show you, hold that one.
Ow.
I didn't just get one, I got two.
Oh, gosh.
So, I'm only going to open one of them, not both. Just one, but the contents are the same in both. So, what do you think it could be? Why don't you take some guesses?
Well, it could be some pieces of track. It could be at least a train car. Because we get a lot of those in.
Do we? What if I told you it's not track and it's not a train car?
I don't know anything besides peanuts and bubble wrap in there. Or just ordinary wrap. Well, it could be anything like for scenery and stuff.
I think you're on the right track.
Yeah, the right track.
Where are those?
I guessed it!
There we go. I got a big old box of super trees.
What? How did I get that correct?
So, even though I got that starter kit, I felt like what came in the starter kit was not enough. So,
sometimes
2 boxes. Yes,
yeah.
2 boxes of super trees. Midwest Model Rail .com. So where I got them at, I'll put a link in the description below. And there are a couple of coupon codes out there flying around. I want to say Ron's Trains and Things, RTNT, let's see, Ron's Train, yeah. RTNT, I think, is one of the codes. The code I used was IMRROCOM. And I think both of them get you like 5% off. So, but yeah, good people to work with. Because the website wouldn't let me order 2 at the same time. So I called them and they were like, yeah, we need to fix that. So they actually let me order 2 of them. So no need to open the second one. We know what it is, right? Alright, so let's go and pick the next one.
Okay, which one?
I've got another one from Midwest Model Rail, but I'm hanging on to this one last. And there's a very important reason why you want to see what's in here. So, I'm going to hang on to that one. Alright, Aaron, which one do you think is the biggest out of the 3? Top, bottom, or middle? Bottom? Okay, so we're going to do bottom first. And because of that, this one's one of my eBays. Right, so you want to guess what this one is? That one was scenery, so what is this one?
I'm going to say it's in the train car category.
Train car category, okay.
That means it could be a train car, locomotive, a caboose, anything that can go on the track.
Anything that can go on a track, alright.
Yeah, like a train. Train cars and stuff.
Are you sure you got any packages over here?
Oh, I'm sure.
You sure?
I'm sure.
That's just a receipt.
I at least think.
You think?
Yeah.
Alright, you want to show this one off?
I knew it! So, it is a covered hopper cotton belt. Let me get the glare out.
There you go. Angle it down. There you go.
Yeah.
And that is a Katy. It's a Katy car.
Ooh.
So this is one of their 2-bay covered hoppers, which fits perfect for my 1960 era because this was built in 57. So that's perfect.
Oh.
And that's really nice. They come with the scale head couplers, not the standard heads.
Ooh.
So that's awesome. So yeah, good find on that. Gave a little more than I wanted to. I think I gave like 30 plus shipping. So it was like, by the time it was all said and done, it was like 45, 50 bucks. But I mean, it is a Katy car. I mean, these are top of the line. So yeah. I've got 2 others. One is a Athearn and the other one's an Atlas, and luckily all 3 have different road numbers, so that helps. Alright, what's the biggest of the 2? That one? Okay. So, this is another eBay.
Ooh.
Alright, so.
Is it for me?
I don't know yet. What do you think's in this one?
I would say the track category is probably too big for the box, so it can't be that.
Okay.
I'm gonna think that it's another train car category.
Another train car, okay. Let's see what we got here.
It's in the train car category. I can probably already tell by the wrapping. I'm pretty sure I'm correct. Yes!
Alright, you want to show them what that one is?
Okay. So this is a AD&N or a
Trip over the wire.
Ashley Drew and Northern.
Yeah.
And it's sort of broken.
No, it's a kit. I gotta put it together.
Okay.
So this is a Bowser kit, and it is what's called a turtle roof boxcar. And the build date on this is 7/43, so that also fits that 1960 era that I'm looking for. So this is going to be a really fun kit to put together. Alright.
Is that package for me?
Yep, this one's actually for you.
Ooh.
So this one here, yeah, show this side. This came from our good friend Rusty, also known as Possum Bayou. So, have fun. I wonder what that could be. What do you think's in there?
Probably another train car.
Another train car?
Yeah, I mean, track is a little big.
There should be a pull tab here somewhere.
I mean, sure, the tree that Mr. John gave me, it was like kind of small.
Alright, what you might have to do is use the pocket knife. Oh, right here. Pull that right there. Pull hard. There you go. There you go.
Yo, got it.
Got it. Alright.
I was correct.
Oh, those are very nice. Wow.
Oh, it appears that one of the cars' wheel is broken.
It's okay. It's okay. We can fix it. Sometimes that happens when they get shipped. Show everyone what you got, man. Those are nice.
So we got some.
You got the nicer stuff than I did. What?
I think these are gondolas, but they're AD&N.
They're not gondolas. Those are wood chip hoppers.
Oh.
And those are the.
I don't think I ever had one of those.
Yeah, these are the Gunderson style wood chip hoppers. Yes.
Oh.
And these are by Deluxe Innovations. Deep ribbed wood chip car with M brake wheel, Ashley Drew and Northern. The road numbers you got are 4163 and 4114. Those are awesome. Like, I have not seen these in HO yet, so that's pretty cool, dude.
So it looks like I seen mine first.
Alright, so I told you about the last one. This is one that y'all want to pay attention to.
So this is for you.
It's not for me.
Oh.
And it's not for you.
Oh wait, then who's it for?
It's for you. That's right.
Oh.
This in here is going to be for y'all. So this is why you really got to pay attention. Actually, there should be another one in here for Rick Bailey. But
alright. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I bet it's going to be something really special for y'all guys.
yay, packing peanuts. Alright.
Yeah.
So
we got a car and bubble wrap already.
Yep. And I'm going to pull out this one.
I love bubble wrap.
Okay.
Alright, it looks like we got N scale and HO.
That's right, because for those who have been following Sidetrack Sunday, knows that we are doing a giveaway. Last year we did a covered hopper. We custom decaled it, custom painted, custom decaled a couple of ACF 5650 covered hoppers, and that was our STS 2021 car, or 2020 car, sorry, 2020 car. So this year, this is going to be our STS 2021 cars. And so, right now they say Louisville and Nashville on it, but they're going to be repainted, okay? Color, haven't decided yet. But here is the N-scale one. This is an Athearn. So these are actually just been released not too long ago. I want to say back early September, late August. And these do come with wood chip loads. But I'm actually going to fix those wood chip loads up even better. I'm going to put sawdust on it so that way they actually look like wood chips.
Ooh.
And then here is the HO one. So this is an Athearn roundhouse. So these are, Athearn ready to roll. Look at me. So, and this one also comes with that wood chip load. I'll go ahead and open these up. Rick Bailey went ahead and pre-ordered his. Now, the STS 2021 cars are going to be one of a kind, and that's because the STS members that want their own STS 2021 car, it's not going to be numbered 2021. So there's only going to be one HO and one N-scale car that's going to be the reporting marks of STS 2021. Ours will have different numbers. And it's probably going to be our first show in January because we officially added Rick Bailey with the Foltz Bailey Model Railroad in January, and January was his first show. So this is what the car looks like. And like I said, it's got the wood chip loads on the top, and I actually did a video of how I made these look more realistic, and so I plan on doing that. But they do have these separate attached grab irons, and they do have knuckle couplers, but they are the plastic ones. But like I said, these are going to be repainted, and probably what I'm going to end up doing is taking a piece of styrene and gluing across the top so that way I have a smooth surface to put all of our decals on. So, and then of course the N-scale car looks very, very similar. So they will be repainted. These will be the STS 2021 cars that the Sidetrack Sunday group will be giving away sometime this year. So, as far as how to get that car, well, you're just going to have to pay attention to Sidetrack Sunday when we discuss it, and we'll go from there. So, there you have it. And it could be on any one of us in all 5 channels, including myself, the links are down in the description below. So,
Yeah.
all right. Other than that, I think that is the last of the mail train.
Pretty much it.
So, yeah, pretty much it. And you got some cool stuff, dude. Look at that. So, what do you tell Mr. Rusty Possum Bayou?
Thank you.
There you have it. So, y'all have a good one. Be safe out there, and happy railroading.
Bye.